Hi, thanks for watching this video. This is Ken from Manuowell. In this video, I'm going to introduce you our M700 fish finder. And this M700 fish finder using the wireless sonar technology to clearly distinguish the fish, the aquatic plants, the rocks, and help you better understand the situation of the water, the bottom of the water. And it has multiple languages to help you easy to use it. It can detect over 50 meters of the water and 300 meter long distance could help you better control the whole water. So when you get the M700, let's see what's in the box. In the box, you can see there are two parts of the M700. This one is the main part, and also the display part. You need to use it in your hand, and there's another part you need to install on the boat. You can see this is you need to install on the boat, and manual, and it's in for the main part, and the battery cover holder of the main part. So when you get the M700, the installation is very important, but it's not very complicated, and I will show you the details. You can also find it on our manual. Okay. First, I will show you how to install the part. First, before you install the M700, you need to check the bottom of your boat. You can see for this boat, it already left the pro-designated part for the fish finder. So you just need to drill a hole here and install the sensor. There are many different kinds of the boats in the market, and some like the bigger boat, with runner, carp king, or something else. They already left the pro-designated part here. Just to drill a hole and make the wire through it, and use clip, make the sensor tight here. Okay. And also there are some boats it didn't left the pro-designated part, so you need to find a flat area to drill a hole and install it. Okay. For next is the control part. This is the control part, and we prepared a Velcro for you. You can use the Velcro to attach it into your boat. Just to find a good location, because you need to consider about the balance of your boat. You don't want the control part to affect the balance, right? Okay. And for the next is the antenna. This antenna is longer than this one. The longer one you need to install on a boat, so you need to drill another hole. For example, and for this boat, you can drill a hole here or here. Just you need to connect the antenna with the control part. So the control part, three components. One is the sensor, one is the control part, and another one is the antenna. So after you install all on your boat, you need to connect them together. We prepared two wires for you. One is orange color, one is black. What is them for? And for the orange color wire is connect the antenna with the control part. And for the black one, it's just connect the control part with the boat's battery, because it needs power supply. Okay, just use this to connect with the control part. That will be fun. So them all together, the install part will be finished. It's not very complicated, right? For the next, okay. For the main part, the display part, it also needs the power supply. So we prepared a battery holder for you. This one, it need to use 8 pieces the AAA batteries. You can use the holder and connect here. Also, you can use another battery, or you can use our Manuowell rechargeable battery to put into here. We left here for the Manuowell rechargeable battery. After charged, just install the antenna behind the controller. Let's see here. Just move it out and install. Then it will be fun. Okay. We highly recommend you to use our Manuowell bait boat because first, we already left a pre-designated part for the fish finder. You can see. In the middle here, it's just you can scroll and you can just install this sensor here. Also, our Manuowell bait boat has special functions. First, on our controller, we have a power switch for the fish finder. So you can use the switch to cut off the power of the fish finder at any time. You know, because when you use the fish finder, you're spending some power of the battery of your boat. So when you don't need a fish finder, if you can cut off the power of the fish finder, then can help you save the power of your boat. And there's the function for our boat that the power of the fish finder will cut off automatically if you don't use the fish finder for over 30 minutes. So our boats have different functions to help you save the power. Now, after the installation, so you can enjoy the fishing. Okay, before we use the M700 fish finder, there are 3 main points need to be checked. First, ensure all components are powered on. Second, confirm the antenna is securely installed. Third, make the main part higher, more than 1.2 meter than the ground to make sure it can very easier to receive the signal. And we recommend that you can use a tripod to help you stand it. Okay, you can see there are only 5 buttons here. The power switch, also the exit, menu button, and up and down. It's very easy. Just power on. Okay. Before we use it, we recommend you to select a language which help you better easier use. You can see this menu button. You can click it into the menu, or you can click it again to change from basic setting to advanced setting. So in the advanced setting, use the up and down to move your selection to the language. Click End to select the language. You can see many languages could be set. Mandarin, Polish, also French. Okay. After you select, just click End and use the exit back. Okay. And for this video, I will show you the operation through the simulator. Click it and on, and back to home page. You can see here displays the depth of the water. You can see 3.9 meter, and here displays the temperature of the water. And here the voltage of the main part. When you open the boat, here will display the voltage of the control part in the boat. Here is the signal. You can see here is the surface of water, and here is the bottom of the water. Okay, you can see the different depths going to 2.3, 2.4 meter, and this is the fish already catched. And you can see different numbers here. 1.2, 1.9 is display the size of the signal. Okay, and the red side from 0 to 5 it means the depth, the range of the depth. Now it's 0 to 5 meter, and we can adjust it up to 0 to 50 meter. Okay, the fourth setting is already suited for most of the fishing environments, but we can use some basic setting to help you better use it. Just click menus into the menu, basic menu. You can see sensitivity, face ID sense, depth range, night mode, ARP channel. Okay. What's the sensitivity? The sensitivity it means how many information display on the screen. You can see from 1 to 9. So we recommend you, when you use the fish finder, if a very deep water, you can make the value high. And if a shallow area, you can use a lower value. But the auto is enough for almost the fishing environments. It can adjust it accordingly by itself. Okay, and check. Okay, the face ID sense. What's the meaning? So you can see you can adjust the value 1, 2, 3. So if you adjust it to a lower value, the fish finder will ignore some small signal. For example, if you are only looking for some larger fish, some big fish, then you can use a lower value. But if you want to search some small fish, and just you need to make it high to 3. For example, in a 3, if some small fish, some aquatic plants will be found. Okay? Click. The depth range is very easy to understand. Just the display range from 0 to how many meter depths. Here now is 5, and you can change to up to 50. Also 50. This is the top. You can see. Click to back to the home page. When you want to back to home page, just click it. Okay. Now it's 0 to 50. Okay, we change it back. Depth range 5 will be enough, or you can set in auto. It will change it automatically. Okay, depth range back to home page. Okay, no problem. And the night mode is very easy to understand. That if you open the night mode, light will be, if you use it at night mode is helpful. Also, the background color will change to black. Okay, we close the night mode. The RF channel is the signal channel. Just use the default setting will be fine, or you can change it when you change something channel. Okay. Also, in the advanced setting, you can change the backlight, background color, color scheme, color line, beeper, and it's very simple. You can find everything on the menu. Thanks you for watching this video. Thank you very much.